If you did this in crypto today, you probably lost some money, some of your position, maybe even a little bit of your sanity. And this is a mistake that people keep making time and time again and are apparently learning the hard way. And what this is people investing on emotion. All right. Some people will say, oh, no, I don't do it. But it's definitely tough when the market is dropping, 15 to 20% at a time. And that's what we saw today. Today was basically a bloodbath in the market. We saw big retracements throughout the space. BTC, for example, cutting all the way through its trend, all the way out the bottom. And people were dumping. People unloaded their position. They panicked. They thought, oh my gosh, we're continuing to drop here. And this is where a lot of people messed up, because guess what? People that have been in the space for a while, they know that these are very good times to accumulate, very good times to pick up further positions. Now, what really caused this today, and I talked about this a little bit in my ADA video earlier, is there's some uncertainty overseas. There's the possibility of Iran invading Israel, and this has just put the whole world kind of in a tense spot, right? And so people started liquidating. We got down into these long leverage positions that just caused this basically cascade of fear and uncertainty and long leverage liquidation, kind of similar to what we saw actually back on March 5th. If you guys remember that, for example, on the BTC charts, this is what that day looked like. A big drop, right? Big, massive crash in the market. But look at what happened following that. We rebounded. We continued to rally. There's a lot of pushback in the market. And what I want to show people right now is what smart money did today was they accumulated. They took advantage of these fear opportunities to buy in the market. Guys, that's what I did today. I did a little bit of diversifying. I added some things I haven't had in my portfolio here recently, but this isn't even the case for just BTC. BTC isn't the only one that had a big move back up. For example, you look at something like ADA, big move down, right? These are just a couple coins I talk about, right? You guys can see ADA dropped all the way down to the 45 cent level, big DCA opportunity flashing on here. And guess what? It's back up to 50 cents. Take a look at something like SHIB, for example. SHIB dropped all the way down to the 4021 level, big retracement, right? Big bounce back up, all the way back up to pushing the 4025 level. And you can see this really in any charts. If you guys are curious about what I added today, I actually added some injective, first time owning it in my main portfolio, big drop down. I actually picked up somewhere in here. And right now that position that I picked up is up about 10%. Great DCA opportunity flashing on the charts here, which again, if you guys are curious about what I'm using, my indicator, the link's in the description below. You guys can check it out. There's a 30-day money back guarantee. It makes days like these so much easier because, hey, when it flashes DCA, it might not be a bad time to pick up a position like today. And that's the point I want to make. When everybody else is fearful in the market, when you're seeing this flash everywhere, it's typically a good time to accumulate. Now, what I want to point out is this. Everybody's, now uncertain because of the possibility of this war. I want to remind people, not only did we go through a similar retracement and bounce, back in March, we've gone through periods of war during this cycle, right? At the beginning of the bear market cycle, if people don't remember, we actually had Russia invade Ukraine. All right, this happened. The official date where they jumped into Ukraine was February 24th. You guys can see that we actually had retracement on that day. But guess what followed that? A pump. We actually climbed even with the news of this war beginning. All right. So yes, this is a big deal. We don't want this to happen, obviously, in the world. It definitely plays an impact in the charts. But what people need to remember is, does it really affect the stance of crypto, the fundamentals of crypto, the building, the developments, things like that? No, it doesn't. What these typically are these washout attempts. It's where the smart money, the big money, tends to put some fear in the market and pick up cheaper positions. People wonder why retail keeps losing to big money, why whales keep winning, why institutional money keeps winning. It's because people don't play these things the right way. They don't take these big events that cause fear in the market and use them to their advantage. They get fearful. They sell. They say, oh my gosh, my assets dropped 20%. I should sell. And then guess what? It gets a 10% rebound and you get stuck looking like an idiot. Okay. Now, this is not financial advice. I'm not calling anyone out or anything like that, but we need to get more conditioned to these things. And over time, we're going to see less volatility in the market. There's going to be a less effect from these things. That doesn't change the fact that the Bitcoin halving is only, a week away. It doesn't change the fact that mass adoption is coming to crypto. It doesn't change the fact that enterprises are entering the crypto space at a more accelerated rate now. this is the kind of, again, the early bull market cycle where there's a lot of crap going on. Don't fall for the smoke and mirrors. Don't fall for the fear, because the trajectory of crypto is big. It's adoption. And guess what? The smart money is going to take advantage, and the people that are investing with emotion, they're going to lose. So I just wanted to share that with everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully you understand the message, but let me know if you guys picked up anything today. Let me know if you found some great positions. There was great opportunities all throughout the charts, but have a great day. Show your love below. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.